Okay, I got the bolt action.
Yeah, this gun is kind of crazy.
Bennett, light him up! Bennett, light him up!
Reloading!
Copy, reloading.
Under the bridge!
Get down, get down, get down. Your head down. I'm engaging bridge. On the road! Road to the right!
Reloading!
Copy. Watching left. Bridge, RPG! He's down.
RPG!
Where?
He's dead. Suicider! Bridge!
Reloading. God. I think I got him with the bolt action pistol. Stop. My gun won't pull out. I pull out again.
Holy shit! I can't hear anything.
Neither can I. I was just dumping at him. I have 2 drums left.
Oh! I got direct impacted.
I'm seizing your magazine.
Nice.
This should be your magazine that I'm about to put in my gun.
Oh.
Come get some! I'm on my last mag! No! Doing good?
Bro, you're gonna have to resort to your bolty pistol.